Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to service your trimmer, how to replace the filter. One of the things that you gotta do in maintenance, you gotta grease the head or change the gear oil, whatever it has. One of the things, if you want to get a lot of life out of your, this is a 9 years old Stihl trimmer. Been running good. Had an issue, coil failed on it once, and so I replaced the coil, ignition coil, and the spark plug. So that was pretty much it. Otherwise it's just trouble-free running, and I run it hard. When I run it, I could go through a gas tank in just a couple hours or hour and a half or so. When I do trimming, and I don't do it, this is just for the personal stuff. I don't do commercial or business for this type of work. So first, number one, use quality synthetic mixing oil. 2-stroke, 4-stroke, 2-cycle or 4-cycle. Well, it depends what kind of trimmer you have. If it requires oil to be mixed with gasoline, because oil determines the longevity of your equipment. You can have a lubricated, or you can have not well lubricated with a lot of carbon buildup. Stabilizer. There is oil with a stabilizer actually. You shouldn't have to buy separate stabilizer, but you can use separate stabilizer if you want additional protection. I'm not sure if it does any or not. You can drop me a comment on that. Other thing keep in mind is air filter, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter. And if you have an issue and it's not running well, maybe carburetor is clogged up, maybe there's too much carbon, there is products called Quick Shot that people say it works. I haven't tried it, never had an issue with my equipment. So, but if you do, you know what I mean, don't be in a hurry to go pay $50 for the carburetor cleanup. You know, buy this bottle, buy this stuff, Quick Shot, try it and see if it works or not. You know what I mean? It's a cheap alternative solution before spending $50-70 at your local repair shop. So let's jump in, let's get in, show you how to replace. So remove the bolt, remove this cap. As you can see, the filter is pretty dirty. It's not a clean filter. Let me show you what the clean filter looks like. This is a clean filter. As you can see, clean versus dirty, a big difference. Well, if you have a lot of dirt, clean it on outside. This is about 9 years old, and it's about time for it to be replaced. No, you don't have to see before and after. You don't have to lubricate anything, or it's a dry filter. You don't need to put any oil. Just make sure you pop it in. It's gonna be on the difficult side because it's new filter, it's dry. Just take your time, don't be in a hurry, and push it in. Make sure it goes in all the way, it stops. You know, don't jam it so you don't break it, but make sure it's all the way in. And if the cap inside is dirty, wash it and clean it. See, mine is dirty, so I'm gonna go and clean it before I install it. I don't wanna have any contamination, you know what I mean. I wanna see if I can get another 9 years out of this trimmer. So since this one's already 9 years old. So I cleaned it. There is a cleaner, nice cleaner actually. You spray, you let it soak for 15 minutes. You can scrub it if it's like a heavily caked in stuff, and just rinse it off with the water. Yep, I just rinsed it off. Wipe it with a paper towel or shop towel, or you can let it dry in the sun if you want it. It's your personal call. Now it's clean, it's good for another 9-10 years. Depends on how heavy it's going to be used, and just put it back. Make sure you put it back in the same way you removed. and maintenance is cheaper than buying a new equipment. So if it's a personal or if you are a contractor, and just don't overtorque it, this is it. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions, Europe, I'm not sure, it's same steps apply to all the models. You have filters, you have oil, you might not have oil, you might have to change the oil, depends what trimmer you have. If you have two-stroke or four-stroke or whatever they call it, or two-cycle, four-cycle engines, you might have to mix oil. You might not have to mix, but you might have to change the oil. So it depends what brand you have, and that's how you have to go by. So, once again, thank you, and if you have questions, go ahead and ask.